Set higher goals for yourself. Higher your goals, the better it will be. Expect the most amazing things to happen right now, not in the future. Don't let anything hinder or hold you back in any way. So let's begin with a wonderful day. Namaste and a very warm good morning to all my sweet friends, all the respected professionals, our honorable and beloved head of the department, and all the staff members to join us on this special occasion. As we all know, the reason why we have gathered here is to welcome the new students to our college. We know that this day is very special and a much awaited event in every student's life, and it is a celebration of their new journey. Now, it's time to play a video to welcome our new joinees. Okay, so I, Salina Chauhan, feel honored to welcome you all to the orientation program by the Department of Public Policy and Governance, BK School of Professional and Management Studies, Gujarat University. At DPPG, we aspire to transform lives through knowledge, collaboration, partnership, hands-on learning, industry experience, undertaking world-class researchers that would profoundly impact the society and provide an environment that nurtures innovations, inventions, and entrepreneurship. As a DPPG student, your years at the university are very important, and while you are here, you will have the opportunity to transform yourself, learn new skills, and enhance your personal attributes in profound ways. Now I would like to call upon Virat Rajput to tell something about the placement committee.
Very warm good morning. The vision of placement committee is to groom the student and make them aware about the market scenario and increase the employability skills of our student at institutional and industrial level, and also prepare them with relevant and conceptualized professional skills and guiding them towards the bright future. I would like Rutvik to take it further.
Thank you, Virat. And mission is to provide an innovative learning environment that inspires the students to think creatively, anticipate and adopt change, and develop strategies and competencies for survival and growth in the competitive and technology-driven global economy. Don't take things as a burden, take things as opportunities.
And yes, don't shatter yourself in glass ceiling. Just break it and come out. Thank you. Now I would like Ashley to take further.
Thank you so much, both of you, for sharing a wonderful experience. Once again, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today's program is designed for helping you to uncover the answer to all the questions that you have, providing the information about the campus resources, developmental programs, activities, and services. This is your, and everything I speak today is all about you. You all have gathered here with the intent to achieve something in your life, right? I'm very sure that you all are filled with excitement and overwhelming. Excitement, right? Excitement is all about finding out how the new college would be, how our faculty and facilitator would be, how the fellow student would turn to be, and how would be my college auditorium and how my hostel would be. Am I right or am I right? Come on guys, a big round of applause for yourself first of all. Lovely. I'm trying on the stage to spark your life, spark, needs to be kept shining so that all of you feel happy while spending time in this campus. Okay, अगर आप लोगों की इजाजत हो तो मैं कुछ अपने शायराने अंदाज में कोई शायरी बोलना चाहती हूँ. Can I? Thank you very much. Okay, so here we go. है चमक मेरी निगाहों में, बुलंदी है ख्यालों में. है चमक मेरी निगाहों में, बुलंदी है ख्यालों में. मैं पत्थर से भी टकरा कर उसे रेजा रेजा कर दूंगी. इस इंस्टीट्यूट ने मुझे वो हौसला दिया है, वो मौका दिया है. एक नया वलवला, कुछ उम्मीद की किरणें. एक नया वलवला, कुछ उम्मीद की किरणें. कुछ कर गुजरने का जज्बा, कुछ कर गुजरने का जज्बा कि मैं ढूंढ लूं अपना रास्ता खुद अपनी मंजिलों का. और जैसे कि हमारे नीलम मैम कहते हैं कि स्काई इज द लिमिट, सो हियर कि मैं छू लूं वो ऊंचाइयां, कि मैं छू लूं वो ऊंचाइयां, उन अजीज उड़ानों का वो आसमान. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू. Now we celebrate our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ritual as a tribute to Ma Saraswati, goddess of knowledge who bestows wisdom and blessing on us so that we can make the world better by education, companionship and knowledge. I would like to invite all the dignitaries to please be on stage to ignite the lighter, to ignite the lamp. Come on, ma'am. Welcome once again. What an auspicious movement it was. Thank you very much all the dignitaries to be on here. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvidnam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Before we proceed further, let us gear up for the anthem of our prestigious Gujarat University, an institute which has given excellence in education to our society since its establishment in 1949. Few of the university's many alumni include our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, Mallika Sarabhai Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam dancer, Ashish Nandish, political psychologist and social theorist, Pankaj Patel, CEO of Cadira. I would request you all to stand at your places for our university anthem. Now it's time to play video of our prestigious Gujarat University song.
Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Gujarat University apni, Gujarat University apni vidya tapobhan. Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan.
राष्ट्र चेतना कला साधना खेल भावना विकसी
विश्व मानवी बनी गुजराती विश्व सकल माविल से स्नेह समता सौना साथ ने संगा दे संसिद्ध करे उन्नति प्रेम बंधुता समानता ना पल पल प्रसरे स्पंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन.
Thank you so much to all the dignitaries. Now you can take your seat. Gujarat University is one of the major institutions Gujarat University is one of the major institutions of higher education in India and a pioneer in Gujarat dedicated to postgraduate studies and research. Gujarat University is the largest university in the state catering to the needs of higher education and has developed phenomenally and has been recognized as the premier university in the country today. Let's play the video of Gujarat University.
Located in the heart of UNESCO World Heritage City, Ahmedabad, Gujarat University with more than 4 lakh national and international students makes it a large and inspiring place to work and study. 270 acres of lush green eco-friendly campus in conjugation with new knowledge and ideas. University meets societal challenges through strategic investments in education, research, creativity and entrepreneurship. Extremely modern and state-of-the-art infrastructure with International Convention Center, Olympic Standard Sports Complex, Open-air theatre and Genetic Diagnostic Center. Foresight into technological life cycle and agile systems takes Gujarat University far ahead of other higher educational institutes. Promotion of research, consultancy and extension for benefit of society through Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Center for Extension, Research and Innovation. Strong research and unique study programs including 2 finishing schools and research park bolster the industry-academia collaborations and also allure national and international students and researchers. Only state-funded university to incorporate 3 nationally funded incubators, which play a pivotal role in shaping and nurturing the startup ecosystem in Gujarat. Incorporating a strong sense of openness, Gujarat University actively participates in public debates and dialogues, cross-cultural university partnership through national and international collaborations to enhance global competitiveness. 3 world records and 2 national awards together with history of individual and institutional level achievements, makes Gujarat University committed to excellence, innovation, and high standards in higher education. The NIRF 2020 ranking places Gujarat University at the 44th position nationally and 12th position among state-funded universities in India. Gujarat University offers a rare combination of elite academic performance and integrated learning environment, thus making Gujarat University a sought-after institution, which has proved its ingrained motto of Yoga Karmasu Kausal.
Can we have a big round of applause, please? Wow, lovely. I'm proud to be a part of Gujarat University here. Now, as we all are part of BK, right? So I would like to introduce the BK School of Professional and Management Study. It's a department of management in prestigious Gujarat University. Established in 1976, is one of the oldest and eminent B school of Gujarat state. The school has been vetting human as well as intellectual skill of new breed of dynamic managers ever since. BK has acquired a unique position in the list of top B school with its attributes like excellence, curriculum, experienced faculties, industrial exposure, strong alumni network, academia industry interface, and running courses like MBA in Public Policy Management, MBA in Business Finance and Economics, MBA in Event Management, MBA in Business Intelligence, MBA in Maritime Management, MBA in Supply Chain Management, and 21 PG Diploma program, courses of 1 year as well as MBA program and PhD programs. Now, it's time to make you more familiar to our very own department, Department of Public Policy and Management. Can I have the gushing sound of applause, please? Wow, what a wonderful scenario. Thank you very much, all of you. The Department of Public Policy and Governance, established in the year 2020, is one of the kind program to aim at improving efficiency and leadership skill among the policy maker and administrator while exposing them to topical issues in management. The Department of Public Policy and Governance offers courses like PhD, PG level MBA courses, integrated MBA courses, certificate courses, and PG diploma courses. The department intends to undertake the activities for promoting the education, research, training, consultancy in the area of public policy and governance. With a great pleasure, DPPG conducts various webinars which brings great knowledge to the students and provide a platform for real-time conversation with the speakers of DPPG. DPPG is also organizing international conferences that provide significant insights to the participants regarding the trends in the global economy. Now, DPPG has hosted various programs such as International Youth Symposium, Women's Day Celebration, international conferences, international conclave, international quiz competition, renaissance, and various stalwart series. Now, can we have the video of various events of our college, please? Can we have the video? Okay, thank you.
Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam.
Meaning integrating skill in action. This is the motto of the glory of Gujarat, that is the Gujarat University. Taken from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, this motto truly amplifies the soul of the university. Shining like the crown of the vibrant state of Gujarat, Gujarat University has been following the path of excellence throughout its glorious journey. in providing the best quality higher education.
development of DPPG student, right? Yes. Right? Yes. Thank you very much. The most awaited, I would like to welcome our beloved ma'am, Dr. Neelam Panchal, who is the backbone and leader of our DPPG. Dr. Neelam Panchal is an associate professor at BK School and in charge of Department of Public Policy and Governance, DPPG. BK School Gujarat University. Her success motto is "Sky is the limit." She is a very hardworking personality, the one who is an inspiration for all the young generations. She has conducted employee development, management development, faculty development, and women development programs for executive